Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and get this cute thrift pants in Berry Avenue. So if you guys looking for trendy thrift style pants to complete your Berry Avenue avatar's aesthetic, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly where to find and how you can get this adorable thrift pants so your avatar can rock the ultimate vintage and stylish look. So first you can just go to the avatar, and then under here you can just find the pants category, this one at the top. Click on pants, and then on the search column, let's remove this first. On the search column you can just use the keyword thrift. Okay, hit on enter, and after that you can use this pants. Okay, so this is the result. You can also use the shoe if you want to. I'm going to just use the pants and tap on done, and this is the look for the thrift pants. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.